Let's unbox my Athena handbag.
Today, I got my Athena with me. Okay, so let's get into it. This is a New Orleans brand, Houston based. And honestly, the packaging for me is already a 10 out of 10. I don't even want to open the box. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's the ribbon for me. It's perfectly tied. It wraps all around the box. The box is very much given aesthetically pleasing. Athena is not one of them, okay? Athena is not one of them. Athena is that bitch. Period. We gotta open this baby up, okay? Because we gotta see what's in the box. Stay tuned. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. It is wrapped with some wrapping tissue. And we have another bag. Wow. So this is a drawstring bag. For the moment of truth. Y'all, stop. Athena is not one of them. I'm trying to tell y'all.
And catching bodies, I'm catching flights, your fitness hurt. Condolences, you lost me. Ooh, that's the worst. I'm not for everybody. Oh, no, no, no.